We just trying to chill. We didn't come in to show off or floss our shit or anything like that. We just came to chill and have fun. I guess that's life's all about. Let's go.
I'm coming right away, my dear. I need you to stay, I need you to stay right there. Coming right away, my dear. I need you to stay, I need you to stay.